Welcome to Virginia Family Dentistry's Brandermill location, conveniently situated next to the Harbour Pointe Shopping Center. Here we care for both general dentistry and orthodontic patients under one roof. Our general dentists provide a full range of services for patients of all ages. From routine cleanings and checkups to cosmetic dentistry, sedation dentistry, dental implants, and even wisdom teeth removal. Our orthodontic suite offers a comfortable, dedicated space for children, teens, and adults. We provide traditional braces and clear aligners to correct bite issues. As an Invisalign top 1% provider, we're experienced in helping patients achieve beautiful smiles. Orthodontic care starts as early as age 7, and your initial consultation is always free. To learn more or schedule an appointment, visit vadentist.com.